12 plus box bracket 16 minus curly bracket 5 plus smaller bracket 12 minus 3, all brackets closed. How to solve this? So this is a question of order of operation. In order of operation, we use the mnemonic PEMDAS to remember the order. First we solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. You can remember it by using the sentence, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So for parentheses, there are three kinds of parentheses. This is the smaller bracket, this is the curly bracket, and this one is the box bracket or the bigger bracket. However, the order in this parenthesis also, we first solve this parenthesis, the smaller bracket, then the curly bracket or middle bracket, and then at last we solve the box bracket or the bigger bracket. So smaller means we first solve it first and not at the last. After parenthesis, we have to do exponent, orders, indices, roots. This multiplication, division, they are grouped together. We solve them from left to right, whichever comes first, because they have equal priority. You see, multiplication is nothing but reverse of division. They are called reciprocal action. Division is nothing but reverse of multiplication. If you divide a number 4 divided by 2, it means 4 multiplied to 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2 is the reciprocal of 2. Division gets converted into multiplication. So they have equal priority. And to solve the issue, which operation to do first, we just solve them from left to right, whichever comes first. Then we have addition, subtraction. They are also grouped together, but always remember that this choice of left to right is between these two multiplication, division. Whenever there is a choice between addition and division, division always have priority over addition and subtraction. So addition, subtraction, they are also grouped together and we solve them from left to right, whichever comes first. Now let's solve this question. So 12 is outside the bracket, we will leave it like this, then plus, then 16, it is in the box bracket, we cannot touch it unless we solve the smaller bracket, then minus, then 5 plus 12 minus 3 is 9. Once we have solved the bracket, we remove the bracket and write the number here. There is already a sign here, so we write plus 9. Remove the bracket, then we have the curly bracket left, and then we close the box bracket too. Again, leave the first number as it is, we cannot do it anything. Then 16 minus, now we solve the middle bracket. 5 plus 9 is 14. So we write 14 and remove the brackets. And there is sign minus, so we write minus 14. Now we solve the box bracket. 16 minus 14 is 2. So we remove the bracket and write 2 here. There is a sign already here, so we write plus. Now 12 plus 2 is 14. So 14 will be the correct answer. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.